What is the future of Indian economy and also how that will affect the Indian stock market for the next 10 years. Industry expert Gururaj will answer this now. Gururaj, over to you.
Today, if you look at the way India is doing well, if you look at the overall economy, people are talking of 5 trillion economy, right? Now, people are also saying that India will become the third largest economy in the world, right? So, if I believe that by 2027 or 2030, this is going to become true, there's a lot of changes in the policies is happening, right? So, that's where I feel achieving a 5 trillion economy is positive. Right? Today, my market capitalization is around 2.5 to 3 trillion economy, trillion, right? Now, if this is going to become, my economy is going to become 5 trillion, my market cap will also go to 5 trillion, which means 20 to 25% kind of growth we can expect in the next 3 to 5 years. Expect. Please underline. In between, all these uncertainties are there. That's where I said, was we can't predict where it will be, how it will be. But as I said, if you want to create wealth, you need to be optimistic. So very important to be optimistic about your country and the economy, and expect a decent return of 12 to 13%. Equity should deliver. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.